MOR stands for Modular Office Renovation, and with a team of a bit more than 30 students, we competed at the Sorter Decathlon competition, which is well, you can consider it as the World Cup for sustainable house building. My role in this team was I was part of the partnerships and the finance committee, and I was part of the board. So together with over 80 partners, we realized this prototype of how well, energy inefficient office buildings could be transformed into not only energy producing facades, but also we integrated strategies for water reusing cycles, air purification systems, natural air purification systems. We made use of a concept of design for disassembly to keep virgin materials in their flows of recycling. Yeah, all kinds of sustainable interventions in old buildings. We were a team of more than 30 students. We had about 10 different committees, working groups. So we had, for instance, an architecture committee, we had an urban design committee, we had an energy efficiency committee, we had a building services committee, yeah, and also, of course, the more managerial groups. Our prototype is a cutout of a 100 meters high old office building in Rotterdam. So we replicated the sizes of the concrete structure. And what we're in now, where we are in right now, is the building site still of one apartment in that building. And our concept is focused on the fact that buildings currently are big consumers, not only of energy but also of resources. And how we want to approach this is that a building gives back to its surroundings. And then giving back being net positive within 5 aspects, which is energy, water, biomass, air, and materials. What we've done till so far, so I think about more than 2 years ago, a group of students initiated the project. And then you first need to be selected for the competition. Well, okay, we passed. Then the first year of the project is more about conceptual designing, creating the societal framework and what the concept will impact on. And the second year of the competition, you more focus on getting all the partners on board. So getting the funding, developing all your drawings into technical drawings, getting in contact with all the different manufacturers. And in Hungary we had 14 days to build our prototype with the team. And after those 14 days, there were 14 days of daily measurements of the performance of the building. And at the end of those 14 days, we eventually got second. Well, that was the end of the competition. But the end of the competition didn't mean the end of the project, because, well, we wanted to have our prototype, of course, back in here in Delft to be able to conduct further research and to have it as some sort of a product development lab where a scientist from the university and in collaboration with students, in collaboration with companies, do further research on several innovations that we applied, or new innovations. So that's where we stand now, actually. So we're rebuilding for the 3rd time our prototype. And the idea is that once we open it, that we start a new organization that will take care of all the research proposals within our prototype, and we will try to write about it, to publish about it, and to create a Sorter Decathlon community also for coming teams to come. In the beginning of February, we'll have the big opening again for all our partners. Not only all our partners, also all the people involved from the TU Delft that helped us out, and the Minister of Finance and Climate will be there for the opening. It's a great honor. So yeah, we're gonna build a big party in the beginning of February. Yeah. On our website, all the contact information is given. I mean, a general explanation about our concept and what we did is also on our website, more.delft.nl. And if you're interested in conducting research on something building related, on a product, for instance, you want to do your graduation topic based on something which is in line with the problems that we're tackling here, then we're always open for a talk.